Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. CB Group recently opened a massive plant in St. Catherine called The Nest. They spent over $15 billion to build this state-of-the-art facility. It is the largest poultry plant in Jamaica and also the largest poultry plant in the Caribbean. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they are doing. But with this facility, Jamaica will be able to produce enough chickens for the domestic market and have enough to export. So this is a major accomplishment. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The government is creating the environment to facilitate investment that can generate jobs and drive growth in the economy, says Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. There is no country that can grow without the innovation, expertise, and commitment of our entrepreneurs, he said. Once you make that decision to invest, we are proud of you. We want to encourage you and thank you because that is how Jamaica will grow, he added. The Prime Minister was delivering the keynote address at the official opening of CB Group's multi-million-dollar air-chilled poultry processing plant in St. Catherine. The new plant located in Hill Run will see CB Chicken's processing operations in Kingston to St. Catherine being accommodated under one roof. It will also enable a shift from water-based processing to air chilling, a technology which uses cold, purified air to reduce the temperature of the birds after slaughter. Air chilling improves the taste of the chicken, reduces the risk of cross-contamination, and saves on the use of water. Dr. Holness welcomed the investment by CB Group as well as plans by the company for further spending. The reason for that is confidence in Jamaica. The government will never do anything to destroy the economic environment that creates the confidence to invest, he noted. He assured that the government will make the best decisions for the people of Jamaica, for consumers, and for those whose duty and job is to create investments in the country. The poultry plant, now the largest in the Caribbean, is located at CB Group's 1,000 plus acre eco-industrial park called The Nest. It will add to Jamaica's self-sufficiency, food security, and CARICOM's goal of reducing extra-regional imports by 25% this year. Alright guys, that's another update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.